Hi friends, Miss Darla here, and today we are going to be making ooblek. For this experiment, you are going to need cornstarch, a fork, a measuring cup, food coloring, and a large container. Add 2 cups of cornstarch to your large container and use a fork to break up the large bits. Next, add 2 cups of water with the food coloring mixed in. While mixing, go slow and gentle. It will be much easier. Once you have a nice, smooth, thin consistency, start adding cornstarch little by little to thicken the mixture. Keep adding and mixing cornstarch until you have a consistency where you can ball it up into a solid shape, but it melts when you stop manipulating it. I ended up adding about a half a cup of more cornstarch to this mixture to get the desired texture. Now you're ready to play with your ooblek. Notice how when you put your hand in slowly, your hand goes in with no problem. Then try to put your hand in quickly, but you will be met with resistance. Try punching the ooblek. Notice how it becomes like a solid surface. Next, set your fist on the surface and see that it slowly sinks in with no resistance. You can even take a fork and try to poke holes in it. Ooblek is pretty cool, but make sure it doesn't go down the sink. If you want to carry it around to keep it longer, you can put it in a plastic bag. Then you can dispose of it in the trash. What sorts of fun things can you do with ooblek?